Welcome to our latest video where we delve into the role of contract review in engineering projects. Contracts are the lifeblood of engineering projects, embodying the investments of stakeholders, defining rights and obligations, and ensuring economic viability. The successful and timely delivery of any engineering project hinges on establishing fair and equitable contracts. In essence, contracts form the cornerstone of project success. Before any signatures are penned, a thorough review of contract documents is paramount. This review process is vital in defining rights and obligations, identifying potential risks, and devising mitigation strategies. As we often say, the devil is in the details. Risks, whether they are technical, commercial, or legal, span numerous pages and exhibit a high degree of complexity. When dealing with high-cost and long-duration projects, the complexity and diversity of contract clauses underline the urgency and critical need for a thorough review. As the saying goes, the devil is in the details. With high-cost and long-duration projects, the complexity and diversity of contract clauses necessitate urgent and critical review. Let's explore the role of contract review in more detail. In the world of engineering projects, contract review is a beacon that illuminates the path to clear understanding of contractual agreements. It holds the power to define rights and responsibilities, making sure everyone involved knows what's expected of them. This clarity is a preventative measure, significantly reducing the likelihood of disputes and misunderstandings. But it doesn't stop there. Contract review also serves as a shield, mitigating risks that could potentially derail a project. It fosters a cooperative environment where potential issues are spotted and addressed before they become actual problems. It's like having a trusted guide who navigates the project team through the intricacies of the contract, ensuring that every detail aligns with the project's goals. Remember, contract review is not just a process, it's a vital tool, a key that unlocks the door to project success. It's the cornerstone that holds the entire project together, ensuring that every step taken is on solid ground. Contract review is not just a process, it's a vital tool that ensures project success. Now let's delve into the scope of contract review. Contract review is a multifaceted process and its scope is vast. It starts with ensuring legal and regulatory compliance. The contract terms need to align with local, state, and national laws, construction permits, insurance, building codes, and safety standards. This alignment ensures that the project does not hit any legal roadblocks that could delay or halt progress. Next, we move to risk identification, mitigation, and resolution. The contract review process involves analyzing and identifying risks, including liability and insurance types. Having suitable clauses and risk management strategies in place can help mitigate these risks and ensure smoother project execution. Understanding the relationships and responsibilities of prime contractors, subcontractors, and suppliers is another critical aspect of contract review. This ensures consistency with the provisions of the prime contract between the owner and the general contractor, fostering a cooperative environment for project completion. The payment schedule is another crucial area. A clear understanding of the project's financial status, including overall costs, payment milestones, methods, incentives, and penalties, gives a transparent view of the project's economic viability. Quality assurance is equally important. Evaluating specifications, standards, and performance indicators related to materials, processes, and quality control measures helps ensure the project's success. Insurance, dispute resolution mechanisms, and contract termination are other essential areas covered in the scope of contract review. These aspects provide a safety net and a clear path forward in case of disputes or project termination. Despite covering all these areas, the scope of contract review doesn't end here. It extends to every single clause within the contract. Each clause needs to be understood and evaluated for potential risks, especially in lengthy, complex contracts. An excellent contract reviewer is not just someone with extensive contract management knowledge. They need to have language proficiency to understand the nuances of the contract and sufficient legal expertise to identify potential issues within complex contract terms. Understanding each clause in a contract is essential to identify potential risks within lengthy, complex contracts. An excellent contract reviewer should possess extensive contract management knowledge, language proficiency, and sufficient legal expertise. Given the complexity of contracts, seeking consultation assistance is often beneficial. Contracts are the backbone of any engineering project. housing the intricate details of rights, obligations, risks, and mitigation strategies. They are not just documents, but the lifeblood of your project, and getting them right is crucial. Contract review is a specialized skill, demanding a comprehensive understanding of each clause, rich experience, and sufficient legal expertise. A professional consultant brings these skills to the table, helping you navigate through the maze of contractual terms, identifying potential issues, and devising effective solutions. Moreover, an effective review process isn't just about understanding the contract, but ensuring that everyone involved adheres to a structured approach. A consultant can help establish this process, fostering a cooperative environment and ensuring project success. Remember, the success of your engineering project hinges on the establishment of fair and equitable contracts, and a professional contract review is the cornerstone of this process.